Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how old you need to be placed paid on the Hard Rock app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Hard Rock app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Hard Rock is a real money betting app, so there are age legal restrictions. In most places, you must be at least 21 years old to bet. Some states may allow 18 plus, but always check local laws. When you create an account, Hard Rock will ask you for your personal information like your date of birth and sometimes ID verification. This ensures you meet the minimum age requirement. If you are underage, you cannot place bet, the app will block you and try to bypass it can lead to account closure. Only use the app if you meet the legal age. Always bet responsibly. Only use money you can afford to lose. And never share your account with someone underage. Follow the rules, keep your account safe and legal. And remember to bet on the Hard Rock app, you must be legal age requirement, usually 21 or older, and verify your identity. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.